The refreshed Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport have been designed to build on the success of the outgoing models, receiving a major interior upgrade with premium materials and an elegant soft-touch dash and center console. Comfort features such as heated steering wheel with shift paddles, ventilated front seats, Climatronic automatic climate control and voice control are now standard fare. Technology has also been enhanced with a 12-inch floating infotainment display, 10.25-inch fully configurable Volkswagen Digital Cockpit Pro and standard wireless app connect plus 6 USB-C ports, 8 available, for device connection. For 2024, the Atlas family is moved forward by a 4-cylinder turbocharged and direct injection TSI engine boasting 269 horsepower and 273 pounds-to-foot of torque, providing similar power to the outgoing VR6 with a bump in torque available over a broader rev range. The improved performance and drivability is anticipated to also give an improved fuel economy, alongside an unchanged 5,000-pound towing capacity. An 8-speed automatic transmission comes as standard along with front-wheel drive. 4-motion all-wheel drive technology is also available across the model lineup. Further details, specifications and pricing will be announced before the early Q3 launch date. IQ driver assistance technology is now standard for maximum safety, featuring hands-on semi-automatic capability for on-the-highway lane centering and capacitive steering wheel. Around town it helps alert drivers to surprise obstacles in front of them and keeps an eye around them to keep driving safer. A head-up display and predictive adaptive cruise control are also available. The exterior of the 2024 model year features a new front-end design with wide chrome 4-bar grille framed by LED headlights with adaptive front lighting system, daytime running lights that wrap around the headlights into an illuminated light bar atop an Illuminated Vw Logo, giving it a premium look. The rear adds a larger spoiler lengthening the roofline between LED taillights, with all but base trims mirroring the front lighting signature adding illuminated light bar and Vw Logo. 2R line trims get gloss black grille details, signature R-line badging plus 21-inch aluminum alloy wheels completing its aggressive look. Powering these two vehicles will be solely a 4-cylinder turbocharged direct injection TSI engine delivering 269 horsepower and 273 pounds-foot of torque, similar power to their predecessors, ensuring great performance while driving. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.